Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we're going to be creating these delicious Paste Secche cookies. They're Italian cookies and we're going to make them even more Italian by cooking them in a pizza oven. This is the Polito Giotto. I'll have a link in the description box if you'd like to check them out. We're starting off by separating our egg whites from the egg yolk. We're going to give that a whisk. I'll have the recipe in the description box below. Whisk until you have these soft peaks, and then gradually add in your caster sugar. You could do this in a standing mixer, but I'm doing it as my Nonna taught me by hand. Once all your caster sugar has been incorporated, continue to whisk until you have this nice soft peak, nice and glossy. Then we'll add in our honey, vanilla. You could use vanillina powder instead. Zest of an orange, zest of a lemon. Now traditionally this calls for almond meal, but we're catering to those of us who are allergic to almonds. So here instead, I've roasted some sunflower seeds, grinded them up in my coffee grinder, and we're using ground sunflower seeds instead, which have a very similar texture and when roasted, a very similar taste to almonds. Gently fold that in, and then by the end of it, you should have a texture that looks a little something like this. We're gonna fill that into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. So the 6B attachment is what I'm using here today. And feed that in and create little stars. I have my cookie sheets lined with baking paper and I'm creating stars that are about 3 centimeters or so in diameter. You do want to keep these about 2 or so centimeters apart because even though there is no baking powder or baking soda, they will expand just a touch. After which you can now add in the little decorations in the center. These are candied fruits. I believe they are candied cherries. They normally come in green and red, although you can probably find them in other colors as well. Give your cookies a dusting of icing sugar and then pop them into your preheated 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven or a preheated 200 degrees Celsius wood fire oven. Today I'll be using this copper bristle brush. This is by Polito. It is awesome. You can change to these different directions so that it makes brushing away the ashes a lot easier. I'm going to heat up my oven starting in the middle, move the fire over to the sides until you reach about 300 degrees, after which let the flame die off completely and then brush the ashes all the way to either the left or the right or to the back. I like to keep them in there because it helps to maintain temperature a little bit more consistently. Add your cookies in, apply your dough, and allow them to bake for about 10 minutes. Give the trays a bit of a turn, allow them to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, and they're finished. Add some icing sugar just for a little extra pizzazz, and your chewy, delicate, delicious Italian Paste Secche cookies are finished. If you're using your conventional oven, it would have taken about 10 to 15 minutes as well. If anyone would like to check out the Polito ovens, I will leave a link to their website listed in our link in bio. Thanks again, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.